Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Windows Backup app in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to get backup of your PC using Windows Backup app, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply press the Windows button and here you search for Windows Backup. There's a Windows Backup. So you just have to open this app. Once the app has been opened, you'll get two different options. The very first is backup this PC. If you want to only get backup of this PC, so you just have to click the first option, or just the second option is transfer information to a new PC. If you want to transfer data of your PC to a new PC, so you can select the second one. I'm going to select the first one from here, then click next. Now on this section, you will see your device name, your folders, your apps, and something like that, your settings and etc. So you just have to click on next or continue option here. Your device is now being backed up. It will take a while depending on your internet speed, and after that your device will be backed up. So in this way you can easily back up your PC using Windows Backup app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.